Good morning! How are you today? Welcome to our mathematics class with Teacher Al, where fun, easy, and meaningful learning every day. Now for our topic for today, we're going to solve word problems involving whole numbers and decimals. With our competency, solves multi-step routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication and addition or subtraction using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Now for our problem, the fire hydrants are 3.5 meters apart. If there are 5 hydrants, what is the distance from the first hydrant to the last hydrant? For our solution 1 is the drawing and illustration. Since we have 5 hydrants, so we have to put there 5 hydrants. Question: what is a fire hydrant? Very good. That is a pipe usually in the street that provides water especially for putting out fires. So what is the distance of each fire hydrant? Very good. That is 3.5 meters apart. So what are you going to do next? Nice answer. We have to multiply 3.5 by 4. So that is 14 meters. Therefore, the distance from the first hydrant to the last hydrant is 14 meters. Very good. Now let's try another solution. The algorithm. Take note of this. You have to take away 1 from the number of fire hydrant to know the number of spaces there are between the first to the last fire hydrant. So in order for us to solve this problem, we need to know the number sentence. So our number sentence is 3.5 meters multiplied by the quantity of 5 minus 1 equals n. So what would be our first step? For our step 1, we have to subtract 5 hydrants minus 1 hydrant. So that is 4 hydrants. Very good. Now for our step 2 is we have to multiply the factors without the decimal point vertically. So we have here 3.5 multiplied by 4. So the answer is 14. So therefore, the distance from the first fire hydrant to the last fire hydrant is 14 meters. Very good. Now let's try another solution using block model approach. So let's take for example first fire hydrant. What is the distance again between each fire hydrant? Very good. 3.5 meters apart. So using this block model, so this block represents one hole, another block represents one hole, and another block represents one hole, and half of the block represents 5/10 or 0.5. Okay, second fire hydrant represented by block model, third fire hydrant, fourth fire hydrant, and the last fire hydrant. So what are you going to do next? Very good. You have to multiply 3 by 4. So that is equals to 12. Very good. What's next? Multiply 5/10 or 0.5 by 4 and that is equals to 2. And what is the last step? Yes, you have to add 12 plus 2 and that is equals to 14 meters. Great job! So let's try another solution using step-by-step method. The step-by-step method is used in answering word problems. This method helps to analyze the given problem easily and to get the answer correctly. So what is asked in the problem? Good answer. The distance from the first fire hydrant to the last fire hydrant. What are the given? The number of fire hydrant, which is 5, and the distance between the fire hydrant, which is 3.5 meters. What is the operation to be used? The operations to be used is subtraction and multiplication. What is the number sentence? The quantity of 5 minus 1 multiplied by 3.5 meters equals n. So let us solve. The quantity of 5 minus 1 multiplied by 3.5. So 4 multiplied by 3.5 meters. And the answer is 14 meters. So therefore, the distance from the first fire hydrant to the last fire hydrant is 14 meters. Well done! So here are the summary of our strategies used. Our solution 1 using drawing and illustration. Solution 2 using algorithm. Solution 3 using block model approach. And solution 4 using step-by-step methods. There are so many ways to solve our problems using appropriate strategies. Thank you so much. So long, learners, till we meet again virtually.